Hey, now we are with Doug Lamb here from GritGuard, family-run business.
Yes.
Everybody is involved. Right here in Ohio. Everything made in the USA. Doug here, I've known the Lamb family for quite a few years. Being here in Ohio, the car community isn't really that big. So we've known each other for a while. Now, you said Luann and Chris are usually the ones talking in front of camera.
That's right. I do very well.
You're the one who invents stuff
I invent.
and make people's lives easier. Now, if I remember correctly, as the story goes, the GritGuard is what you're most known for. That was invented by you as a solution to help you washing your own car, right?
That's correct.
What kind of car was that?
That was a 1989 328 GTS Ferrari.
Very nice, very nice. Well, couldn't find a better a car to be able to invent that. And then now that product has become the staple in the industry worldwide for helping people wash their cars to try to keep it scratch-proof. And then you have, over the years, you just continue to invent and develop more products for making people's lives easier, right?
Just trying to enhance the product lines and continue with products for detailers and for professionals and for individuals.
Yeah, because most of this stuff here, we're going to find in do-it-yourselfers, people that are really into proper care, and you're going to get into the professional detailer. So you've got everybody covered there.
Cover every gamut.
Yeah. Now, since you're the inventor in the company, I imagine you're just continually working on new products. Can we expect to see new stuff to continue forward in the future?
We do have some new ideas, and hopefully we'll have something by SEMA, but we're not sure yet.
Yeah, great. Well, it's been a great relationship that we've had, with your family. I always had the highest amount of respect for everybody. Just the nicest people you're ever going to meet. Great products, great family atmosphere. The Midwest values and the Made in USA is something that we really appreciate here at ESOTERIC, and we value that relationship and knowing we're close by. It took you 55 minutes to get here this morning?
55 minutes away.
Yeah, that's very good. Well, Doug, we definitely appreciate relationship, the friendship, and you being here supporting us at our open house for 2018. You've been here in the years past, and we look forward to the future. So take a look at GritGuard, ESOTERICCarCare.com. Got a lot of products on there. I have a feeling after the show we're going to be adding a lot more products as well. So once again, Doug, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yep.